Hello, welcome to Coders Coding. Today we are going to discuss about how to remove the duplicates in the list. So, which is a very important interviewers are asking for the candidates. So, before going to the video, please like this video. Now I have to take a array as A and then take the values, duplicate values. So this is the a duplicate value list. Now I have take an empty array or empty list for the purpose of to holding the unique values, and take for loop for val in A. So to navigate each and every element in the A list, for that purpose I have to take the for loop. Now what I do, if I have to navigate each and every element, I have to check the condition, right? If it is a duplicate is there, then remove. So if val not in or yes, so the unique values which will be holding in the resultant array. So in this array, if it is not in the value, so what I have to do, it will be append to the resulted list. So res dot append is a method which will be appending to the array. So what I have to append here, val. So finally I have to see the unique values list. So print res. Now you can run this code. You will get the array or a list which is not holding the duplicates. So I hope that you will be understand this one very easily. Please like this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.